Nanga freedom fighter Haibo Jadonang laga death anniversary day August 19 Assam Rifles locals aro civil administration kan forces join kurina anniversary do commemorate kurishe event do Kambiron village Kobum village Kobum Valley Sangkomai village Senapati district aro Tamenglong district kan de loishe Haibo Jadonang laga martyrdom day commemoration do pishi historical significance today freedom fighter Haibo Jadonang do colonial operation aro preserving indigenous beliefs aro cultural brass struggle grishe. Idia Haibo Jadonang la bravery aro determination do generations kan ge inspire kore. Event day Haibo Jadonang la great grandson G Malangmai logot local elders kan attend grishe. Idu event do commemorate kurina women's volleyball, men's football matches, Dagafwar aro Assam Rifles doctor team Canberra medical camp organize grishe. Kaitim Jang Kaupam Valley de. Sangkomai aro Senapati de tribute to dishe kude cultural events kan thaishe Tamenglong de painting competition host hoishe local students kan karni theme Haibo Jadonang de event laga aim do Haibo Jadonang laga contribution desh laga freedom movement karni dia do recognize koroble laga se